In this episode of the Mobility Focus, we learn how to use SETD's bus route schedules. I'm Jason, and it's time to get in focus. The schedule is the best tool to use while learning the ins and outs of public transit systems anywhere in the world, especially here in Clatsop County at Sunset Empire Transportation District. Most schedules are presented a little differently everywhere. There are public transit services, but for the most part, they all detail where the bus will be and what time it will be there. SED schedules are easy to read. First, identify the specific route that you need, such as the Route 101, the Route 10, Route 15, or any of our other routes that serve the North Coast. Next, look at the column from top to bottom for the stop where you want to catch the bus. Lastly, look at the row from left to right and find what time you should be at your stop. Make sure you're at least 5 minutes early to your stop and have your fare ready before the bus arrives. Here's a focus tip. When planning your travel for the day, try writing down the specific routes and times that you have chosen for your trip. It'll help you keep track of your favorite plans, and if your phone battery dies, you'll have a backup. You can find SETD's routes schedules online at northwestoregontransit.org or by stopping by the transit office in Seaside and the transit center in Astoria. If you have any other questions at any time, please ask a driver or transit center staff and they will help you. Now that you know how to read the schedules, get on out there and enjoy your community while riding the bus. Thank you for watching this video. Please smash the like button and subscribe to our channel to be reminded when the next Mobility Focus is available. Have a great one, and remember, stay in focused.